ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Good morning. I, Kushi Badal of 10th A, welcome you all to this auspicious day of Foundation Day of Vishwabharati Public School, Dwarka, and also to our first morning assembly of this academic session 2021-22. Heartiest welcome to you all. On this note, I would like to present a thought for the day. Life gives us challenges to make us stronger, to make us grow and develop such that one day we would spread our wings and fly the highest. I repeat, life gives us challenges to make us stronger, to make us grow and develop such that one day we would spread our wings and fly the highest. Thank you. Now I call upon our principal ma'am to bless us on this auspicious day.
A very good morning to our esteemed guest of honor, Mr. Satpal Singh Ji, Deputy Director of Education, District Southwest B1, New Delhi, VBPS Dwarka team, dear parents and my lovely students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all today on this virtual platform to celebrate the 23rd Foundation Day of VBPS Dwarka, New Delhi. At the onset, I would like to pay my respect and regards to all the founding members of Vishwabharati Public School, Dwarka, and especially late Shri D.V. Batra Ji, ex-president of Vishwabharati Women's Welfare Institution, a great visionary and an educationist, left for his heavenly abode on 23rd October 2020. Carrying his legacy forward and helping Vishwabharati Public School, Dwarka to reach the echelon of success are Shri J.L. Kaul Sir, President, Shri V.K. Ganju Sir, General Secretary, and Shri M.L. Nakashi, Secretary VBPS Dwarka, who are there to guide us at every step. Leadership is about making others better as a result of your presence and making sure that impact lasts in your absence. Our institution is an example of what leadership with vision, commitment and discipline can achieve. Looking back at our journey in serving the cause of education since 4th April 1999, when our school opened its doors for the students, we are both happy and proud at the thought of the memorable milestone we have reached. The year 2021 had been a roller coaster ride for all of us. We saw a lot of changes in almost every aspect of life and are still in the process of adapting to these new changes. We are living in extraordinary times and the 2021 school year has been a year like no other. We would overcome all the challenges with a strong mindset and fearless heart and took a giant leap by transiting from offline to online mode of teaching through Zoom app on an untested and unprecedented scale, conducting online assessments, creating content suitable for remote learning using technology and tools among others. As a result, our students have showed their academic excellence in pre-primary, primary, middle, secondary and senior secondary by achieving good results in their terms and examinations. Keeping ourselves up with the pace of the modern world, complete digitalization of the school was undertaken. I feel highly elated to share that we at VBPS Dwarka started with e-portal facility, implemented ERP system, online classes, audio and text messages, online report cards, and fee collection by ERP software in the year 2020. ERP has now become a crucial part of an effective management of our institution. Parents can keep a real-time track of the status of their child for daily attendance, fee status, periodic tests, and term exam result, school circulars, and news through the ERP. In the coming session, we are introducing our YouTube channel and Instagram page. This is a platform offered to all our students, parents, and school alumni to showcase their talents. You can forward any skill-based tutorial and others would be benefited by your skill. This initiative has been taken in direction of NEP implementation by making our students more skilled and competent. If you develop a passion for learning, you will never cease to grow. Our students have shown their talent in non-academic fields too, where they participated and performed exceedingly well in various inter-school competitions organized virtually and brought laurels for the institution. At this point, I would like to share with you all a few of the achievements of our shining and rising stars. Shelly Solanki of class 12th was honored by our Deputy Chief Minister Shri Manish Sisodia ji under Play and Progress scheme. Shelly Solanki has won various gold, silver and bronze medals in judo championships at national level. She received a sum of rupees 2,90,000 under the Play and Progress scheme. Abhimanyu Ehlawat and Soham of class 12 participated in basketball in the under 19 category in Youth Games National Golden Cup 2020 and bagged gold medal. This tournament was organized by the Youth Games Federation India. Abhinav Panwar and Keshav Panwar participated in Kala Manthan, a national level online competition of classical music and dance. Saksham Sharma, our young aspiring singer of class 9th, made his way to top 10 in Sangeet Setu junior singing competition at national level. Sanat Kaul of class 10th A performed in front of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Shivansh Bansal of class 8B bagged first position in Online Tech Fest organized virtually by Mount Carmel School Dwarka and received cash prize of Rs 2,000. I must mention that list of achievers is very long. More than 100 students won positions in inter-school competitions organized at various levels. I congratulate all these young achievers from the core of my heart. We are indeed proud of the achievements of our upcoming sports stars and budding artists and wish them great success in future. We believe that every year brings change with God Almighty's protection. Let us make this beginning more beautiful by bowing our heads to thank God for a lovely last year and seek blessings for another great year at school. I wish you all the luck to get your goals and be a winner like always. Over to Kushi. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for your speech.
Music is the universal language of mankind. It commences where speech ends. So, here we present before you our school orchestra team.
Thank you.
Now we present before you some folk tap and fusion melody.
हे सोने हुंडा सूरज उगियो और चारू मेर हुई मिलाट ते आया मारा पावना के स्वागत करावे हिसाब सजली राहे मंगल गावे मन उपजी फुलवारी रे साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी रे किलकारी रे वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई धगा परियारी रे शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवारो जी रे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे ओ आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, nos quiere, me quieren. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene. Ponte bailando y se baila así.
कोई जो मिला तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों की रुत और रंगों की बरखा है, खुशबू की आंधी है, महकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं है, बहकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं है, खोई हुई सी अब सारी दिशाएं है, बदली हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं है, जागी उमंगे है, धड़क रहा है दिल, सांसों में तूफान है, होठों पे नगमे है, आंखों में सपने हैं, सपनों में बीते हुए सारे वो लम्हे हैं जब कोई
शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई
सज सजिलो शिव गणी छे अभी आजा आजा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी
Now we have Vaishnavi Gupta of 10th A addressing the audience to mark a new beginning.
A good education is the foundation for a better future. The best education does not happen at a desk, but rather engaged in everyday living, hands-on, exploring in an active relationship with life. A very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Vishwabharati Public School, Dwarka, I, Vaishnavi of 10th A, would like to welcome you all. Hello, I'm glad to be here with you today. Now let's get started. First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy Foundations Day. It's been 22 wonderful years and God willing many more to come. We celebrate that we are blessed with such beautiful surroundings and wonderful amenities. We celebrate the joy of learning as we develop in mind, body and spirit.
and we celebrate the bond that we share with past and present members of the Vishwa Bharati family. So tell me, don't you get bored at home with just the same routine? Before lockdown, we were enjoying our lives. We were going on vacation with our parents once in a while. We were meeting our friends on a regular basis. We were basically living our lives to the fullest, while studying, of course. And in the past year, literally our routine has been to study, eat, sleep, and repeat. So we thought for this Foundation's Day, we should lay a new foundation. A foundation where everyone, the teachers, the students, and the parents get to utilize their skills and record themselves. Basically, you can make a tutorial on anything productive you want, and we'll post it to our school social sites. It'll be fun, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be shy, because the whole motive behind it is to make you all, and even me myself, feel confident, comfortable, and believe in our skills and talents. You'll be recording yourselves, whether you're cooking, sketching, dancing, singing, playing instruments, gardening, playing any sport, baking, acting, playing with your pet, anything and everything. So, we have made a YouTube channel and we have also made an Instagram account for our school. And we'll be posting your videos as episodes on them. Try new things, think of innovative ideas, and share the tricks you use with anything you're good at. Discover the new side of you. I hope you all will give it a thought. And yes, please don't forget to follow us on Instagram, the Euphorian Club, and subscribe to our school's YouTube channel, VPPS Dwarka. I hope you enjoyed my speech, and if you did not, I hope you had a good nap. Just kidding. Thank you.
Now I invite Satpal Senji, Deputy Director of Education, District Southwest B1, New Delhi, to give his blessings.
Good morning, everyone. Warm greetings to all. At the outset, I congratulate each and every person associated with Vishwa Bharati Public School Dwarka on the momentous occasion of the 23rd Foundation Day of the institution. The institution has certainly come a very long way since its inception. Vishwa Bharati Public School Dwarka has a vision for the future and is making impressive progress towards the same. Even during these testing times of the COVID-19 pandemic, the school has flourished in leaps and bounds. The school's endeavor to go completely digitized is highly commendable. My heartfelt congratulations to the team of VBPS Dwarka on the launch of the school's YouTube channel and Instagram page. This step is unquestionably a giant leap forward in the direction of implementation of NEP 2020 that focuses on innovation, skill, and entrepreneurship. I'm sure that the institution will continue putting consistent, insistent, and persistent efforts to empower the learners with sound knowledge, wisdom, experience, and life values to make them globally competent. Wishing you the best for scaling bigger success and achieving newer heights in the coming days. Thank you very much.
Now I request Praditi ma'am to throw some light on the art integration work done by the students.
All of you. Welcome you all to the new session. We all have fought the odds and come out stronger. Pandemic had forced us to remain in virtual mode, but at the same time kept our children active and engaged. In tune with the CBSE circular on art integration, we tried to engage children of different age groups in creative work as part of art integration projects. It helped in imbibing the Indian ethos through integration of Indian culture in teaching and learning process at every level, linking education and culture. It was mandatory for students of classes 1 to 10 to integrate any art form of the paired state or union territory as defined under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. Delhi was paired with Sikkim in this process. We will be showcasing a short video on art integration work by our students. We hope to engage our children in skill-based work in the new session as well. in accordance with the NEP. Hoping for your cooperation. Thank you.
मला सिक्कीम मन परछा सिक्कीम जनता मन परछा सिक्कीम मन परछा सिक्कीम जनता मन परछा मलाई सिक्कीमको डाँडा काँडो छहरा र पहरा मन परछा मलाई सिक्कीमको डाँडा काँडो छहरा र पहरा मन परछा मला सिक्कीम मन परछा सिक्कीम जनता मन परछा खोला नाला झरना नाचेको मन पर्छ खोला नाला झरना नाचेको मन पर्छ टिस्टा रङ्गीतले गीत गाएको मन पर्छ सुनगा भाषाको गुराँसको सुनगा भाषाको गुराँसको माला लगाएर हिमाल मुस्कुराएको मन पर्छ हिमाल मुस्कुराएको मन पर्छ मलाई सिक्किम मन पर्छ सिक्किम जनता मन पर्छ सिक्किमको मर्यादा बढेर संसारमा सिक्किमे मुस्काएको सिक्किमको मर्यादा बढेर संसारमा सिक्किमे मुस्काएको
With this, our program comes to an end. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. Hope you have a fabulous year ahead. Stay safe.